Okay, online shoppers, let's get real about Capatee clothing. You've seen the cute tops and dresses plastered all over your social feeds, but the big question is Capatee legit, or is this one of those online traps waiting to ruin your day? Here's what I found. Capatee runs a slick, fully functional website that looks just like every other trendy boutique. But according to the Better Business Bureau, they're not accredited. In fact, they've racked up a ton of complaints. So what are people saying? Tons of customers report their orders take forever, or sometimes never arrive at all. And if they do show up, the clothes often look nothing like the photos. Think cheap fabrics, wrong colors, weird fits. The classic what I ordered versus what I got fail. Now here's the really shady part. If you try to return something, Capatee almost never gives a full refund. Instead, they'll offer you a partial refund, maybe $15, maybe $40, just to keep the item, even if it's total junk. And if you push back, they might up the offer, but almost never let you send it back for a full refund. Most complaints trace Capatee's shipping back to China, even though the site feels like a local boutique. This explains the long shipping times, and why getting customer support feels impossible. So, is Capatee clothing a scam? Let's just say, the red flags are everywhere. If you're still tempted, use a payment method with buyer protection. Think PayPal or a credit card, so you can dispute the charge if things go south. Bottom line, shop smart and don't let a cute dress cost you your peace of mind.